Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got something a little bit different for you. Now most of my recent videos have been me showcasing mainly bullion pieces of silver. Now I have got some more premium silver in the collection in terms of kind of proof collections and things like that. I haven't really got many slabbed coins. I think I've only got one slab coin, and that's an American Silver Eagle, and it's not a kind of special year one or anything like that. I literally got it just so I could kind of have a look at what a slabbed coin looked like. So I don't really stack numismatic coins as such. It's not really my expertise. I haven't really done enough research into it to kind of know what I'm looking for and what's a good deal and what's not a good deal. I do much prefer to kind of stack the more bullion items because that's where my kind of expertise is in terms of my research, and that's just kind of my strategy when I pick up precious metals. So I haven't got much proof in the collection. I've got a few series that I've kind of in the process of collecting. I've got the Tudor Beasts series, which is ongoing. I've got the Harry Potter series, which is only a 4 coin one. And I've also got another couple of ones that I can't think of top of my head. But like I said, I mainly like to stick to the bullion kind of purchases really. I do spend a little bit more of a premium for special designed bullion coins and things like that. But proofs aren't really my main focus. But I do have a couple of Britannia silver proof sets. Now these are the older ones, and you can tell that they're the older ones because of the packaging. It's not wooden packaging. It's this kind of green, almost a bit like spongy packaging. I actually prefer these older ones. I think they look really cool. They look, you can just tell they're older coins, they're older collections. So I really do like them. Now, like I said, I haven't got much proof sets or anything like that. So that's why you won't see much of it on this channel. But I thought it'd be quite nice to showcase these collections today, because I know there are some people out there that do like to see the proof things, and this channel at the moment I haven't really kind of tailored to those people that watch it. So this is for those of you that have been asking to see some more kind of numismatic proof type stuff. I've also had a number of people that have asked me to showcase some more gold, mainly the new subscribers that haven't seen my kind of previous gold videos. I have actually got a gold playlist that's got a list of all my gold videos. I will put that in the description actually of this video for those of you that are interested, and I've kind of grouped all of the videos that I've done on gold in that one playlist so you can kind of have a little browse through them. And I will get some more gold out. My gold's just harder to get hold of. It's more kind of buried away, if you like, and it's not all on my premises, so it's a little bit harder to get my gold together for videos. But I will definitely do some more videos, and I am a big fan of stacking gold as well. So let's get straight into this one. Now this is, as you can see, a United Kingdom Royal Mint Britannia silver proof set. Now I picked up one of these from eBay and one of them from the Silver Forum, and I can't remember which way round it was, but I'm pretty sure this one here was the one from the Silver Forum. 2001 silver proof set. Now again, I haven't got the price on hand of what I paid for each of these sets, but I can let you know in the comment section if you are interested. You can also pause it there if you'd like to have a read of the information booklet. But I picked up this one because it's a really unusual design. It's not a design that you often see. Let's get these out so you can have a closer look. And like I said, it's not a design that you often see. It's a kind of a love it or hate it design. It looks quite futuristic, I think. It's got the 2001 written on the side there. This is the half-ounce one. And like I said, it looks kind of a futuristic type design. It's more sort of like squared, how you got the square kind of front of the shield. I really like it. And when this was up for sale, there were some people that were saying, I really like this design. And there were others that really disliked it. So I'll be interested to hear your thoughts on it. You can see it's got a bit of kind of tarnishing. And it just goes to show you that even if you protect your silver, and this hasn't been out of the capsule since I've owned it, but it's already got kind of some tarnishing around it, and I quite like it. I think that looks quite a nice kind of luster to it. I think it kind of adds to the feel of these coins being a few years old. And let me show you the 1 ounce one. You can see, really nice. It's kind of like a reverse proof finish. And like I said, I'm a big fan of this design. I like how you've got the detail on the kind of the cloak, on the edge of the clothing. I just think it's a really nice piece of silver. Really nice design. And these are actually in really, really good condition, considering I got this from the second-hand market. And I have said it before, I do like using the Silver Forum because you do get some really nice deals on there. And the thing is, with the Silver Forum, you know that you're 9 times out of 10 you're buying from people that are stackers / collectors or both themselves. So they know how to look after their precious metals. If you're buying from eBay, I tend to find that it's not just stackers and collectors that are selling on eBay. It's people that are just kind of buying things to flip, or they don't really know what things are worth, so they're listing them for really high prices. They're not sure if they're real or fake, so you're kind of taking the gamble on that. Whereas with, like I said, the Silver Forum, it's like-minded people that like stacking and collecting precious metals. So when you buy stuff from them, one, you know it's the real deal, and two, you know it's been looked after because the person before you has been taking care of it. And I think a good gauge to go by is if someone takes care of their collectibles is by the packaging that it arrives in. If you see a packaging for sale on a proof coin or any collectible of that matter, and it's kind of ripped around the edges and it's not really been looked after, then straight away, if they're not looking after the main packaging that the coins are in, straight away it's kind of red flags for me. And you can see this is a really nice conditioned outer box, no kind of damage to it or anything like that. So for me, it shows that someone's taken care of it. So that's the first one. Now this is the second one. Again, like I said, same colour boxing and everything like that, and the packaging is really nice. Now this one, I'm sure this one was from eBay because I really wanted this year's one and I couldn't find it anywhere. Now this is the 1997, and I believe this is the first Silver Britannia that came out. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure 1997 is the first year Britannia, because I got myself a first year gold Britannia, and that was 1987. And I'm pretty sure that it was 10 years later before they brought out the silver version, and the first years was only available in proof form, so you couldn't get this set in bullion. But like I said, correct me if I'm wrong, because this isn't my expertise, but I'm pretty sure that's why I picked this set up in the first place. But yeah, really nice again. Certificate's in great condition, the box is in great condition. Let's have a look at the coins. And again, you can see it's got that really nice kind of luster, that toning around the edge, which is really nice. It just makes it feel almost a bit like antique-y, really. And look at that design. Absolutely gorgeous design. Really nice. And again, yeah, you've got some really nice toning around the back of there. Really reflective. Just a really nice piece of silver. Is that on the... There's a little kind of scuff there. Is that on the capsule, or... Yeah, there you go. So that's the easiest way about taking off the capsule fully, is by twisting the capsule when you're checking proof coins. Because obviously if it moves with the capsule, you know it's not on the actual coin. But again, really nice condition. Really nice design as well. So I hope you're enjoying this video. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments section. Would you like to see some more kind of collectible items on this channel? What is your preference? I know many of us stackers, we like a bit of everything. You start off sometimes as being a stacker, and then you end up turning into a bit of a collector, or vice versa. You start off being a collector, and you might not even be precious metals. You might be a collector of world coins, or a collector of old circulated currency. And then you kind of go down the kind of rabbit hole of researching precious metals, and you turn into a stacker. So I do feel like you start off as one and kind of transition into a bit of both. There's not many people out there that I've met that just solely focus on either collecting or stacking. And that's another reason why I think the Stack Collector, who's one of my favourite YouTubers to watch at the moment, is a very, very new YouTuber, but his content is very, very good. It's very premium content considering how new he is to the game. If you didn't look at his subscriber count and just watched a few of his videos, and then you was asked the question how many subscribers he's got, you would say like 10,000 subscribers minimum, because really, really professional setup he's got. And I think what I like so much about his channel name is it summarises everyone. His channel name is the Stack Collector. And that pretty much sums us all up, really. We like to stack, but we also like to collect. Look at that one. It's hard to focus, that one. It's quite a small one. Really nice toning on that one, the 10th ounce. Look at that. What a gorgeous piece of silver. And I'd never think to buy a 10th ounce or even a half ounce or even a quarter ounce bullion version of the Britannia. I don't even know if they do the 10th ounces, but yeah, they do, don't they? They do all sizes, but yeah, it's not something I would buy in bullion form because I'm quite content with the price of a 1 ounce. But when you get a set like this, it is really nice to see them. So yeah, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Would you like to see some more of my kind of proof collection? Because I'm happy to get it out of the long term, the deep stack, whatever you want to call it. I'm happy to get it out. It's a bit harder to get access to, but if this is the sort of content you enjoy watching as well, I'm happy to get it out to showcase it. Let me just grab, while I've got a few bits to hand, let me just grab the first box that's next to me, just as kind of a bonus proof coin, if you like. Now this is going to be one of the newer proof coins because these are all from newer sets. What have we got? We've got the Lion of England. So I'll just showcase this off whilst I've got some of my proof coins to hand. Now this is the Tudor Beasts series. I'm actually subscribed to it, so I get sent one coin every 3-4 months or every 6 months. I'm not quite sure of the duration in between. We're due the case, the long-awaited case. It was meant to arrive with the second coin, then it didn't, and it was meant to arrive with the third coin. And I think now we've got to the 4th coin, and they're finally saying it's going to arrive. So I'm not going to hold my breath, but we should be getting a 10-coin case for these to go in very, very soon. But this is the Lion, not quite as popular as the Queen's Beasts series, in my opinion. Doesn't seem to get as much hype. But I just think the designs are really, really nice. They're quite kind of simplistic designs. But sometimes I think they look better. You've got to look at the Memorial Sovereign, for example. Now, don't get me wrong, the proof version does look very, very nice. But the bullion version's got too much going on. And I think sometimes you can overdo it on a coin. Sometimes it's nice just to have the design in the middle, some nice bold font around the edge. I'm a big fan of this series, and I think it's going to be a very, very sought after series in the future because it's a series that's going to have the Queen and the King on the coins, as opposed to, say, for example, just the Queen's Beast when it's the Queen the whole way through. So yeah, really nice collection. I'm enjoying collecting these. So yeah, let me know what you think about that as well. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for all the support. And I hope you have a nice day.